Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M14 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app, and since we're in the standard photo mode we can take a look at this option bar at the very top. And actually right in the middle we've got this I would say clock icon, which is the timer. So let's tap on it, and as you can see we've got 4 different options. Of course the off 1, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Because it disappears quite fastly, I will just explain everything and then show you. All you have to do is to simply pick the timer and tap on it. So let me pick, for example, 10 seconds delay. Just tap on it, and as you can see this icon will change, so you can always check which countdown you've got set. So right now all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and oh my god, it's so oh my god, all right, stop. Let me volume it down a little bit because it is really really loud. Okay, maybe. Alright, again. And as you can see, your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Of course 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen. Okay, of course you can turn it off also just by tapping on this icon again here, and as you can see it will be applied, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So basically that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your Samsung Galaxy M14. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.